Well, good evening, everyone. This is Mike Bass back again with another forecast update for you for this August the 9th, 2023. I'm hoping everybody's having a great Wednesday out there so far. Everybody has a great Wednesday evening. Hope everybody continues to stay safe and well and also enjoy the weather because it's the only weather you got. Okay, in today's video, we're going to talk about your forecast for Thursday and Friday. Also, we're going to take a look at the weather radar across the nation. Also, we're going to take a look at the watching, warning, and advisory map for your locations. Also, take a look at the Storm Prediction Center overview and also the storm report that came in today. And also take a look at the National Hurricane Center tropical weather outlook at the end of this broadcast. So stick around through the entire video and do not miss a beat of this forecast. Okay, if you're a new viewer and have not subscribed to my channel, consider subscribing. Also, go ahead and smash that subscribe button if you like my daily forecast. And also, if somebody out there can help me get to 500 subscribers, I'd greatly appreciate it also. I need all the help I can get from y'all folks. And I want to thank each and every one who has subscribed to my channel and enjoyed my daily upload. Thank y'all very much. Greatly appreciate it. And I hope I can get on up to 500 subscribers. I'm not that far away, and I need all the help I can get from my community. Please, community, I'm begging everybody, please help me out there. I'm trying to reach that 500 subscriber goal. I'd greatly appreciate it. But anyway, let's go ahead and dive on into the forecast now, and we're going to get the show on the road here, folks. Alrighty. As you can see, we got quiet conditions for Quebec, Canada, back to portions of the southwestern portion of Canada, that is. So over toward the Seattle, Washington area, over toward Montana, back in Idaho, Oregon, down towards San Francisco, and just not too far from Central California, portion of northern Nevada, Utah, portion of Wyoming, portion of South Dakota, Nebraska, just east of Denver, and the portions of New Mexico there as well. Also the Gulf of California, southwestern Arizona, southern California, also into portion of New Mexico, portion of Texas, also into portions of northeastern Mexico and south Mexico as well. Also into Texas, Dallas area, just south of you guys toward Houston, dry conditions expected. Across portions of Arkansas, Louisiana, southern Mississippi, southern Alabama, southern Georgia. Also into portions of Missouri, Illinois, up towards Chicago, Illinois. Also into portions of Michigan, eastern Wisconsin, northern Michigan as well. Alright, we got a few showers over here in portions of Vancouver, Canada, and just around the Seattle, Washington area for your Thursday. We got showers and storms down here around Los Angeles, off in the coastal water, through portions of Southern California, Southern Nevada, into Utah, portions of Wyoming, also into Arizona, northern and central portion of Mexico, also over the ports of Texas, Oklahoma, back in toward the Denver area of Colorado as well, also into portions of Kansas, over towards Arkansas, Mississippi, down in the portion of northern Georgia, around the Atlanta metro area, toward Columbia, South Carolina. Showers and storms down in the Gulf of Mexico, all the way up toward the Florida Panhandle, central and southern Florida, through the Atlantic coastal waters, also through Washington, D.C., Philadelphia, New York, Boston, up toward Maine, also Montreal, Canada, Toronto, Canada, Ohio, and Indiana, Kentucky, and Tennessee as well. In the red slashed area, pretty much over Tennessee, North Georgia, around the Atlanta area, also up toward western North Carolina, some flash flooding possible. The yellow slashed area across the Carolinas, maybe some severe weather possible for your Thursday. Alright, let's move on to your Friday forecast. As you can see, we got quiet conditions for Quebec, Canada, through much of South Canada. Also back into the southwestern portion of Canada, also towards Seattle, Washington, over to Montana, portion of North Dakota, South Dakota, Nebraska, also just east of Denver, Colorado, and also into Kansas, portion of Iowa, down into portion of Texas, toward the Dallas, Houston area, Louisiana, portion of northeast Mexico, central Mexico, Gulf of California, portion of Arizona, portion of southern California, portion of southern Nevada, around Los Angeles, San Francisco, all the way up to Oregon, Seattle, Washington area. Dry conditions expected. Showers and storms expected over portions of Idaho into Denver, Colorado. Back to Nevada, toward California, to Arizona, to Mexico, northern portions of New Mexico as well. Showers and storms right on the Canadian border from South Dakota, all the way over toward Montreal, Canada, Toronto, Canada, all the way up into Maine, New Hampshire, and portion of New York State. Also in the coastal water of the Atlantic Ocean. Also showers and storms from Minnesota, Wisconsin, all the way over towards Chicago, Illinois, Michigan, out through Ohio into the Carolinas, all the way down to the Florida Keys, including Miami. Also into Georgia, Alabama, Mississippi, Arkansas, Oklahoma, portion of Kansas, Missouri. Showers and storms as well. In the yellow slashed area across Illinois, back into Wisconsin and Iowa, could be some severe weather possible for you guys there as well. And a little bit of shower activity just west of Vancouver and also into the Pacific Ocean as well for your Friday. Alright, weather radar. As you can see, we got quiet conditions along the East Coast. Got some scattered showers down in central and southern Florida. Also, we got scattered activity up here in southeast Canada, around northern Michigan. Also, scattered activity over here in portions of Wisconsin. To widespread showers and storms extending from near Chicago, Illinois, all the way through Indiana, all the way down into Kentucky, Tennessee, northern Alabama, also moving into Georgia, also over here in portions of Missouri, also into Arkansas, back into portions of Texas, scattered showers there, scattered showers over northern Mexico. Alright, scattered to numerous showers over New Mexico and Arizona, southwestern California, also in the portion of southern Nevada, scattered activity up here in portion of Montana, also in North and South Dakota as well, a little bit of scattered activity over Washington State as well, a little bit of scattered activity over Nebraska and Kansas also. And let's see, yep, that takes care of all the weather radar. Got a few warnings popping up as well for severe thunderstorms in portions of Georgia. Alabama, that is. Also in Missouri, also in Oklahoma and Texas as well for severe thunderstorm warnings there as well. And we got like a flash flood warning there for portions of Minnesota. Alright, take a look at the watches warning advisory map. Okay, as you can see, we got some flash flood watching in Massachusetts, also over toward Connecticut, also into West Virginia through southern Ohio, and also in the central and southern portions of Indiana, and also central and eastern portion of Illinois. Flood advisories there in effect also. Some hydro issues over a portion of Missouri. More flash flood watches also in effect for a portion of Missouri, and also southwestern Kentucky, western Tennessee, also northern Arkansas. So a tornado watch is in effect for you guys here in portions of Missouri and also Oklahoma. Severe thunderstorm watch also in effect for southern Oklahoma, also in northern Alabama, with some ongoing severe thunderstorm warnings there as well, and portion of Alabama, also in the portion of Missouri. Flash flood warnings also in effect there as well. Alrighty. Still got a river flood warning for South Dakota. Red flag warnings in effect for you guys in portion of Montana and also down in southern portion of Colorado. Air quality alert for portion of Colorado. Got a few counties there for flood advisories in portion of Arizona. Special weather statement for you guys there in Montana. Wind advisory there as well. And also pocket of wind advisories also in effect for Idaho. We have excessive heat warnings in effect for you guys here in Texas, also Louisiana, southern Arkansas, much of Mississippi, northern Florida, and southern Florida. Excessive heat watches also in effect for the east coast of Florida. Heat advisory for southern Georgia, much of Alabama, portions of Mississippi, South Texas, Southeast Texas, and Western Texas and Southeastern Arizona as well. Air quality alert for central Oklahoma. Severe thunderstorm watch also in effect for southern Oklahoma and northern portions of Texas as well. Alright. Red flag warning for you guys there in portions of Alaska. Red flag warnings, high wind warnings effect for all the Hawaii chain island, and also gale warnings also in effect around the island there as well. Also gale warning for portions of the mid-Atlantic region, and also over here for the west coast of Oregon State as well. Alright, Storm Prediction Center overview. We've got general thunderstorms in the lighter green. Marginal risk up here from Wisconsin back in the north to South Dakota. Texas all the way into the south into the Carolinas. much of Georgia and Alabama, all the way up towards Ohio and Indiana. There's that marginal rift, enhanced risk. You can see a little bit better like this. There's that. There's those severe thunderstorm watches for northern Alabama, northeastern Mississippi, northern part of Texas, southern portion of Oklahoma, tornado watch, eastern Oklahoma, southern Missouri, northwestern Arkansas. MS discussion, watch unlikely here. Maybe bring some severe weather for you guys there, but also in this area here, across Texas, Oklahoma. Maybe a new watch that may need to be issued there shortly. Alright, storm reports. Currently, as of this recording, we had 1 tornado report. That was over Arizona. Wind report, we had 8, 0 was high. That was pretty much over Tennessee, southwest Tennessee, southern Tennessee, western Alabama. Hail report, we had 9 of them. One was large, pretty much over central portions of Alabama, and also up here in southwestern Tennessee. Excuse me. And so that brought the total number of storm reports to 18. So it's not that bad today. Just kind of just scattered, pretty much severe weather. Look like pretty much just in Alabama, Mississippi, and Tennessee. And like I said, got one little tornado warning over here in portions of, like I said, in Arizona. All right, fire weather. Still got that elevated critical fire weather over Texas and Oklahoma. So any wildfire can escape quickly. All right, and now we're going to wrap it up with the Hurricane Center. And no tropical activity expected over the next 48 hours, and also nothing over the next 7 days. So we're in the clear for right now. Things could start getting more active toward the end of August and the first part of September, but we'll just have to wait and see how that plays out. All right. Well, I hope everybody enjoyed this video. Everybody continue to stay safe and well. Enjoy the weather. It's the only weather you got. Like these videos, share these videos, consider subscribing, and we'll catch you back in the next video. Have a great Wednesday evening, everyone, and we'll catch you back in the next one. Take care.